morning, my beautiful students. I'm so happy to see you guys today, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day like I am. So as your teacher had introduced, I am Miss Sigete, and I will be your teacher for today. More of a student teacher, but I'm your teacher for today, and I'm hoping that we're going to learn a lot about each other, but we're also going to learn a lot about the topic that we are tackling today, right? So first and foremost, the topic that we will be handling today is one you might be familiar with: climate change, right? I know it's a very broad topic and there's a lot to cover, and that is why I have come up with a way to narrow down the work that we'll be doing, and for me to see what it is that you guys struggle with, right? And in a fun and innovative way, for you guys, today we use modern technology, so that is what we'll be doing. So I'd like you guys to take out your textbooks. I'd like you guys to take out your workbooks, and your fellow student here is handing out notes that you guys can make more notes on or additional notes on. But the notes that I'm giving you guys is just a summary of what I have done. It's a summary of what I think is relevant and important, just summarizing the content in a way. So please take out the tablets that the school has provided for you guys and scan this QR code here. So this QR code is going to take you to a page, and on that page you're going to find a quiz with 4 questions, right? So definition, cause, effect, and responsibility, right? So I'm going to give you guys like a minute or so to just do the quiz. Thank you for handing out the notes. Just to do the quiz real quick. Okay, so from my laptop here, I see that I was right. These are most of the questions that you guys are struggling with, and I see that it's 50-50 on causes, effects, responsibility, and definition, right? So you might be wondering, when we're talking about effects, right, and responsibility, why it is that I circle you, your community, your environment, and the society, right? So effects refers to how the society and the environment are impacted by climate change, and community and you. This is you as an individual. How is it your responsibility to change climate change? How is it you cannot change climate change, obviously, but how is it your responsibility to contribute to climate change? On the handouts that you guys were given, there's a piece of paper, and on that piece of paper there's a checkbox, right? So it looks like this check boxes, and there are topics next to them. So at the end of the lesson, you will take that, hey, I learned this and I understand it, I learned this, I understand it, I learned this and I understand it, and you will put it on your table, and I will come in and I will collect them. And thank you. Let's dive into the next topic.